It is really important that you do go through every single page and make sure every single page looks exactly how you want it to look. This is going to be very cumbersome for some of you who have very, very long novels, but you don't want to go through this whole process and then get your published book in the mail and have there be like a really, really silly mistake that you could have caught just by flipping through. So make sure you flip through all the pages, and when you are satisfied with what you have created, then you can click approve. And it will save and approve your files, and it has approved and saved your cover as well. Once you have done that, it will tell you down here how much will it cost for you to print your book. This is how much you will have to pay per copy. Okay, so to get yourself copies, it'll be $2.30 for you to order that, which I'll show you the ordering stuff in a moment. So now you can click save and continue, and it will take you to the next page. Okay, you are going to make this available for sale everywhere. Again, you're using Amazon.com. Now, this is where you get to play around with the price and the royalty. The royalty is how much money you make. So let's say you want to sell your book for $10. So you put 10 in there, and then it will calculate everything out for you. So it's going to cost $2.30 to print, and then you are going to get 60%, which is $3.70, and then Amazon takes the rest. So just play around with that. What are you noticing? Do you want to make it 15? Do you want to make it less than 10? It's up to you how you want to play around with it, but it will show you all of your royalties over here. Okay, so this is the number that you are looking at when you're looking at how much money will you actually put into your pocket per book sold. Okay. Then you can click publish your paperback book. Woohoo! And then once you do that, it will take you to the next steps of actually